Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Totwoo couple bracelet app. So let's get started. So basically, the Totwoo is a app or a website or a startup that makes the smart bracelets for the couple. Okay, so to use that, first of all, you have to sign up or log in with your account. For example, you can just select your country. From here, you can select your country where you live, then you can just get the code, then log in, and after that you can just connect via bluetooth your bracelets and you can use it. So it's a very easy to use app and it is very friendly. So by this way you can just use your curb app, and if you have any question related to this curb app, how to use that, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.